For step 1, we already prepared 3 equal parts of the same type of 2x2 Swede. As you can see here, we are starting to label each Swede by its corresponding brand. First, for Swede 1, we labeled it Colgate Optic White. For Swede 2, we labeled it Aquafresh. And lastly, for Swede 3, we are labeling it Pepsodent.
As part of step 1, we also spilled 1 ml of dye by using an injection on each piece of suede and spilled it in the middle of each in order for it to spread equally.
Here you can see that we labeled each of the toothbrushes according to their corresponding toothpaste brand.
For step 2, we start to apply 1 cm or 10 millimeters of toothpaste to each toothbrush. We started with Colgate Optic White.
After we measure 1 cm of toothpaste, we will now be pouring 5 ml of water.
Now we are doing step 3. We already corresponded each of the toothbrushes to each of the toothpaste to the right piece of suede. Now we stroke it from bottom to top no, 40 times with the same pressure on each.
Here, we will now repeat the same procedure except that we will be changing the toothpaste brand from Optic White. Now we will be proceeding to Aquafresh. Now we repeat the same procedure now for the brand Pepsodent.
After brushing each piece of suede, we rinse each piece of it with 20 ml of water. This is repeated 3 times for the each piece of suede. Here, we spill 20 ml of water to the suede that corresponds to Aquafresh whitening, just like what we did to the first piece of suede, which is Colgate Optic White. We then rinse the third piece of suede with the same amount of 20 ml of water.
This experiment will be repeated 2 more times.
After waiting 4 hours, we can see that the first piece of suede, Colgate Optic White, is the whitest among all of them. And the second whitest will be the third piece of suede, which is Pepsodent Whitening. And the last piece of suede, which is in the middle, is Aquafresh Whitening, which is the darkest of all.